Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert multi-column ground motion data into time and acceleration data by using MS Excel. Okay, let us check. Here in this folder, I have some data, ground motion data collected from Cosmos Virtual Data Center. Let us open this one in WordPad. So this is opened in WordPad. So here all this data, acceleration data, are in columns like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 columns per row, continuous columns. So and these data are recorded at an interval of 0.02 seconds. So let us first copy all these things into MS Excel. Okay, let us paste this here. Okay, all these things are pasted. Okay, you can see here 8 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. But in this file with this acceleration, there are also some velocities values and displacement values, so we have to separate them. Just click any one of these right column data and just type control, just press Ctrl and down key. So this is the up to here all these values are acceleration. After this they are velocity values. So first we have to remove this velocity value. Just remove this by using Ctrl Shift. Select all this by using Ctrl Shift and those arrows, and just delete those things. Okay, now we have only acceleration data. So okay, next thing we will add new columns in front of these columns. This is one column, this is two columns, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Okay, then what we will do, we know that this is the first value, this is the first value, this is the second, this is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, like this. Now we will put those numbers here. This is the first one, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. Okay, now okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, these are number 1 2 3 4. So next thing what we'll do, we'll select this two and score. And what are the others values? We'll click here. We'll move cursor to this point. We can see this is plus sign. If we double click here, then automatically other values will be shown here. And then again we can do this thing. First, this is in scientific mode. If we want, we can convert into general mode. Okay, this format is not general. Okay, general, and this is general. Okay, now again we will do the same thing. Select these two, move the cursor here, plus in, double click, cursor here, plus in, double click, like this. Okay, okay. Next what we will do, we'll make one more sheet here. Now we'll copy this first two thing. We'll copy this and paste it here. We'll move to down. After this, one by other, we'll place. Sorry. I think no value is 128, so we'll remove this 128. Let it be. It will automatically removed. Let's copy paste this. If you click here and press Ctrl and down key, it will automatically take you to the end value. And here what I am doing is just click here, to shift, then right arrow, then I'm pressing Ctrl and down arrow, then whole thing will be selected. Copy and paste here and paste it here, and click here and Ctrl plus down arrow, going the end value. Okay, then here I am selecting this two, again Ctrl down, shift Ctrl down, then here I'll paste those things like this I am doing. Okay, now I think okay, this is last value. Okay, now this is Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, all value are copied here. Okay, okay, now what we'll do, we will right click here, this first one, right click here and sort this thing from smallest to the largest. Then it will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 here. Then we'll make one column here, inside one column. Okay, then what happened, what our our acceleration data points are at interval 0.02 seconds. So let's put that thing. First is 0, next 0.02, second interval 0.02 intervals. Okay, next what we'll do, we'll select this thing, move the cursor here, plus in shown, double click here, then it will be, you can get the time versus acceleration. Now just delete this last thing. Okay, now make one row here, click here, insert. This is the time versus acceleration in meter per second. So we can see the time history graph like this. This is the time history. Okay, okay, thank you for watching my video. Hope this video will help you. Thank you.